Hello friends, so I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. In this analysis, we'll look into US crude and natural gas. The only thing bullish in this entire world right now is NG, while in fact the US crude is also trading with a drop. With the help of candlestick charts and indicators, we'll try to find out the take profit, the entries and the trading behavior of these instruments today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's start the day with NG first. NG right now trading at 7484 levels or 7.48 levels. You can see this is the chart for NG. I will come back to this. First, let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see there is a gap in NG between 7.3 and 7.4 levels. That is very much clear. This gap, if not today, some point of time may get filled. But right now it appears that probably till the time it remains below this, above this 7.45 levels, one can remain long on NG, and a sharper rise this time can be expected, which might take it towards 7.65, 7.8 levels, and beyond that also everything is possible. These are markets. So yes, till the time it remains below beyond 7.45 levels or above 7.45 levels, one can remain long on NG. That is what it appears. Now look at this. The support on NG right now is at around $7.2 level, which is going to be a fairly strong support, and if it breaks below this, yes, one can expect a drop. MACD is overbought here, and still there is some room for it to sustain these overbought levels. Hence I'll be watchful for a short entry here. I will not recommend that. And if you look at the MACD is also wide and divergent, so stochastic overbought, MACD wide and divergent is indicating strong bullishness here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly 3-hour charts are also overbought, and yes, there is a support at 7.45, and with this as support it is probably trying to rise. However, may trade in a narrow range, and the next target is going to be at around 7.55 levels, and beyond that one can expect it to hit 7.65 levels also. And yes, there is a gap which needs to be filled. Hence, if you see it trading below 7.4, one can go short for 7.3 levels. One can probably expect, as it is overbought on the 3-hour charts as well. However, it is still got some room for it to rise. MACD is wide and divergent here and not indicating any convergence. I'll be watchful of this candle. RSI is not showing any signs, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts it has seen a high trading in red. Now the support levels at around 7.45 is very much existent. Below 7.45, and in fact yes, below 7.45 you can initiate a short entry, and then you can expect 7.4, 7.35 levels. That is my expectation. And below, beyond 7.55, yes, you can go or take a long entry. In between 7.45, 7.55, I will be cautious. Overbought here on the 2-hour charts as well. MACD is wide and divergent. Convergence is required. Couple of red candles cannot be denied. RSI is near to overbought levels. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see it is given a breakout here. Now this is the channel in which it was trading. This is the breakout candle, and probably till the time it sustains this zone at 7.2, sustains above 7.2 dollar levels for the week or for the month, one can expect a sharper rise in NG. The target is going to be $8 and 8.5. In fact, it can try to hit very high levels. I will not try to figure out, but yes, one can remain long here on NG till the time it remains above $7.2 levels for the month of May, and one can definitely profit remaining long on this. I am bullish on NG. One can expect a sharper rise. Now look at the daily stochastic is at comfort zone, converging here. MACD is trying to cross over, and once this crossover until enter into buy zone again. Right now it is slightly bearish. However, I'll recommend you to stay long till the time it remains above $2 $7.2 levels. And look at this, the 20 period moving average lying at around $7 levels, which is going to be a fairly strong support for NG or for any further drop. So I'll be cautious here. I'll be taking positions accordingly. And if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly charts too, this is given a breakout here, and out of this breakout now it is resisting, it is getting some resistance at 7.5 levels. And yes, till the time it remains above 7.45, one can remain long for $8 levels in this week itself, or probably by next week or so we can expect a sharper rise. MACD stochastic is near to overbought. However, looking downwards, MACD is wide and divergent. We can see another green candle overbought here on the RSI as well. and if you look at the monthly charts, there is a gap which needs to be filled, hence I will be watchful of it. Can try to form a double top and then drop, that is also possible. Overbought on the monthly charts as well. MACD is wide and divergent, RSI is overbought here again, so I'll be cautious here at these levels. 7.55, yes, you can go long. 7.45, you can go short. This is the summary. Beyond 7.55, one can expect a target of 7.6 to 7.65 and then $7.7 levels. Beyond that, anything is a bonus. 7.8 and then $8 levels can be achieved in this week itself. Below 7.45, my target is 7.4, 7.33, 7.3 and then 7.2. Take your positions accordingly. Go short below 7.45, remain long above 7.55. In between 7.45 and 7.55, don't trade. Above and below, you can take your positions accordingly. Keep your stop losses in place. Always keep shifting your stop loss. Once your position is in green, keep a delta and then you can shift your stop loss to cost. Take your positions accordingly. Right now it appears to be bullish, however there is a gap which needs to be filled, hence I will be cautious. Now let's have a look at crude oil. Look at the 4-hour charts on US crude. It is said that it has achieved higher highs. Now it is trying to achieve lower lows. The support here at around 102.5 levels, and with that as support and then 102 as support. If it till the time it remains above 102, I'll be cautious, but I'll expect it to drop, and then the target is going to be towards 101.4, which is a 100 period moving average. Below that we can see a sharper drop. So yes, one can go short below 102 levels. That is right, very much possible. However, look at the 4-hour stochastic, it's oversold and hence a convergence and a rise can be expected. MACD has just crossed over into a bearish territory. Hence, one has to be cautious. Right now, it is indicating that probably it can sustain couple or more red candles. Even if it tries to bounce back, we may see a drop. Look at the 3-hour charts. 3-hour charts, it has come out of this channel. Now it is trading with a drop, and hence till the time it trades below 103.5, one can remain short. So 103.5 is the mark these level. 103.5, till the time it remains below 103.5, oil will be looking towards $102 levels. Oversold on the 3-hour charts. MACD is again on the sell side, wide and divergent, indicating more bearishness. RSI not showing any signs. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts as well, similarly $104 levels now are the pivot, and below that one can expect $102 levels, which is going to be a fairly strong support, and once it breaks below $102, we can see a sharper drop. And oil on stochastic is oversold. MACD is wide and divergent. RSI not showing any symptoms here, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts as well, it is going to be a reversal. That is what is indicated here. If you look at that, here is a fairly strong wick out there, and on the daily charts probably now it is looking forward to come back to 102 101 level. So in between 102 and 101 it may try to hit today itself, and in fact if it drops or breaks this zone at $100 and 101, I'll be cautious. This is going to be a very strong resistance at $101. Below that only one can expect it to remain bearish. See, stochastic, there is a bearish crossover which is taking place, hence I will be cautious today with the long entries. MACD is still in green but wide and divergent, and if you look at the weekly chart, the week is yet to start, and if you look at this, see, this candle is, it has failed to sustain this zone, and hence only bullishness in oil is beyond 105 levels. And yes, on the downside there is a fairly strong support at $95 level, so one can expect that it can try to hit this zone again probably. Look at the monthly candle. The monthly candle is yet to begin, and the previous two candles, here was the previous candle, bulls failed to take the control here. It has tried to trade in green. The support right now at around 95 92 levels, and yes, this time again it is trying to trade in red, and this time it is going to be a sharper drop which might take place in crude oil. I'll be cautious till the time it is below 105 levels. One can remain short for the month, but for the day, yes, 103.5 is the level beyond which one can enter a long entry. Beyond 103.5, my expectation is 104 and 105. These two levels can be achieved. Till the time it remains below 103.5, my target is $102 level. So one can remain short below 103.5 with a target of $102, 101.4, 101, and then $100 is going to be the target. Beyond that, we can see a sharper drop on US crude WTI. We can expect it to go till towards 97 98 levels. So this is all for crude oil. Take your positions accordingly for both crude oil and NG. And if you like and appreciate my effort, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. You can be also my part of VIP singles group or be part of my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 9th of May. Don't forget to book your seats. Reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.